Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deactivate a listing in Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, all you need to do is to switch to hosting, or you can just go to manage listing. After that, we will need to go to menu, click on listings, and here we will find the list of all your listings. You click on any one, and then we will go to listing basics, and we will find the listing status, and you will click on edit. Otherwise, you can just click on the status from here and it will redirect you to the same place. After that, all you need to do is to click on deactivate. You add any reason and click on next in the other steps, and then you will click on save, and you will have your listing that will be deactivated successfully. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.